Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce how to connect controller and display in Hirender S3. First, we need to set network connection. For this part, please check our last video about set masker and backup server. This time, we need to open S3 controller on one server and display on the other server. Open S3 display. The display set requires an authorized dongle to active. In Preference, you can set the cache saving path and clear cache to release space. The display info will show the serial number for current display set. The other settings we need to change on the controller side. Open S3 controller. In stage area, choose Add Display at top. For this tutorial, we will choose Add Network Display. Choose the available display set and press OK. Then click on Connect on the top right corner. It will connect both sets and to sync the resource and window settings to display set. If you want to add more resource or make any edit on controller set, right-click on the stage and choose Update to refresh the display set. When you have a settled project and need to be displayed, choose the Display screen and click on Open Display in Preference tab. The display image will change with the edit process on the controller set. Click on Close Display to terminate showing. Disconnect to close display. That's all for the introduction about controller and display in Hirender S3. See you next video.